So this is Euro. That's Shun'Re. This is China. And Ocean is the black and white one right there. So the black and white one that you see there by the plant, Ocean, and the one that she's playing with, the yellow, Shun'Re, those are our kittens. But this one, Euro, and this one, China, are strays that my roommate found. And we're going to give them away. For free, of course. He's bathed them, they've eaten, they're getting comfortable, and they get to play with our other kitties. This one has a bit of an upset belly. We noticed that he diarrheas a lot. And then that one, no, that's not it. That's the yellow and white one you saw, Euro. I don't know where he is right now, but his poo is not healthy either. But they just came in last night, so we'll do what we can to like make sure they're eating on time, staying hydrated, and drinking milk. That bowl of milk over there, so that it can hopefully help soothe their bellies and help them have healthier bowel movement. But our kitties, Ocean and Shun'Re right there, they have extremely healthy bowel movements. Excuse the floor, it's a bit messy. And could you believe that my roommate actually broomed it last night? But when you live on a dirt path to get into your home in the country, it's kind of hard to keep your floors clean. But we do what we gotta do. Just ignore that. Oh, I feel so bad for China. Now I call him China because he was so cute and his eyes are really chink. And then I called the other one Euro because of his color pattern. I called Shun'Re because Ray in ancient Kemet is Ra, or the sun, and I wanted to name him something pertaining to the sun because of his coat. And Ocean, I don't know, that just came to mind after she was born. So yeah, you guys get to see the kitties play a bit. You got to meet them all. We'll see you again later. Say bye, Euro. Well, that's not Euro. Bye, China. Bye, Ocean. Over there hopping around like a little rabbit. Bye, Shun'Re. And I'm trying to find Euro. Bye, Euro.